where India was not created overnight. India was negotiated with. The Constitution of India was debated by the Constituent Assembly. And when we negotiated with India to create the idea of India, it was supposed to be equal representation. Today, I am in South of India, and even South of India says, why should we be paying the price because our population is less? Why should, when South India contributes, Maharashtra contributes, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh contribute so much for the national exchequer, yet when you do delimitation, because the population is less, you are given less seats in the parliament. So even now, you are negotiating, but with your population, look at our population. We are 1/5 of whatever you have. And if you are going to reward population and not identity, the idea of India will be defeated, which was enshrined in the Constitution of India. So, like you are negotiating with the government of India, being proud Indian about your identity, your culture, and the idea of India, we too want to do the same thing, and that's why we are negotiating and we are talking from a position of unity. Somebody may call it Ekjoda, somebody may call it Thansa, somebody may call it something else. But the point is that we need to speak in one voice, because if we don't, we will not be relevant in the national scheme.